Hi there, it's Omnivisto HQ here, and today we're going to have a little look at project schedules, sometimes called project plans. There's a range of them in front of me here. In practice though, project plans actually can end up, or project schedules can end up looking a lot more like this, okay, or even like this, and that's not going to be suitable for every audience, but it doesn't have to be this way. We take our existing data from Oracle Primavera, Microsoft Project, Smartsheet, anywhere really, and using Microsoft's Power BI, we can create something called a Vistogram. That gives us an interactive visualization of the project plan that's suitable for almost any audience. And on top of that, we can get some rich insights by using the available filters. And there's not really any limit to what we do with these. And we can use these to get additional insights into the plan. If you'd like to know more, pop along to try.omnivisto.com. But for now, that's about everything. Thank you.